All right, mic check, mic check. Yo, what's going on, everybody? Mr. Batch here. I'm glad you've clicked in so I can check in with you. Well, the sun is just about going down, and what is it? Tuesday, roughly 5 p.m. I've got the newspaper. Look at that. Yes, that has just made my day with that young lady looking like that. So, oh yes, northern exposure for Vaughn. That's what the article says in the Daily News. Nice picture of the young lady. Yeah, but in any event, football season is over. I'm getting ready for all the other sports until I can get to my favorite sport of sports, and that would be football. But until then, what do we got? 7 days for the Yankees, 8 days for the Mets. And man, it's pretty precarious out here. We get snow all day, and I love it. I've been shoveling in front of my house, in the backyard, to make sure we can get the cars in and out without a problem. But it's been lovely. Take a look at the scene here. Well, that's the local Catholic church in my neighborhood. Beautiful sight with this freshly dropped snow. The buses have their chains on it. People are shoveling snow all over the place. Yo, this is great, man. The blizzard of 2010 in New York. Yeah, the snow keeps falling. It's supposed to stop at around 8 o'clock tonight. We'll see what happens then. Yo, this is Mr. Batch enjoying the winter wonderland that is snow here in New York City. Peace.